Welcome to a special edition of our fashion hall where style meets sustainability. Today, we're diving deep into the world of eco-friendly fashion, a realm where every piece of clothing tells a story of care and consciousness. Today, we're exploring eco-friendly fashion that not only looks good but does good. These pieces are designed with the planet in mind, ensuring that our love for fashion doesn't come at the cost of our environment. Sustainable fashion is all about minimizing environmental impact. From the materials used to the production processes, every step is taken with the goal of reducing our carbon footprint. We'll feature clothing made from organic, recycled materials and produced under fair trade practices. These labels are more than just tags. They represent a commitment to ethical and sustainable practices. First up, let's dive into some exciting finds from brands that are leading the charge in sustainable fashion. These brands are not only innovating in design but also in their approach to sustainability. Notice the quality and story behind each piece. Why go sustainable? It's about making choices that are better for the planet and for the people who make our clothes. Besides reducing environmental damage, these clothes offer greater durability and a clearer conscience with every purchase. Sustainable fashion is not just a trend, it's a movement towards a more responsible way of living. Let's see how these pieces wear. We'll try on a variety of outfits to show you how versatile and stylish sustainable fashion can be. Watch as I style them for various occasions, proving that eco-friendly fashion is also incredibly chic and versatile. Whether it's a casual day out or a formal event, there's a sustainable option for every occasion. Caring for sustainable clothing can extend its life even further. Proper care ensures that these pieces remain in great condition, reducing the need for frequent replacements. I'll share some tips on how to maintain these fabrics to ensure they stay beautiful for years. Every choice counts. From washing techniques to storage tips, we'll cover everything you need to know. Shifting even a small part of your wardrobe to sustainable options can make a big impact on our planet. Imagine the collective difference we can make if we all take small steps towards sustainability. Thanks for joining our sustainable fashion journey. Together we can make a difference, one outfit at a time. If you loved these eco-friendly styles, hit that subscribe button, share this video and spread the word about fashion that cares. Let's inspire more people to make conscious fashion choices and create a better future for us.